Hello friends, I hope you have solved the questions of the division in your notebook. Now we are going to start one new topic in which we have to take all the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We are going to take all four operations in one question only. To do these type of question in which so many operations are there, we are using one formula that is called BODMAS. Okay, what is this BODMAS? Let's see first. If I will take this word BODMAS, BODMAS. This B stand for bracket. This is called bracket. O stand for off, or you can say it as multiply. D stand for division. M stand for multiplication. A stand for addition and S stands for subtraction. Okay, so this is the BODMAS. B stand for bracket, O stand for off, and which we are calling it as multiply. D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition and S stand for subtraction. This is the BODMAS full form. Now why we are using this BODMAS formula? Because all the four operations we have to do. We don't know which one we have to do first. If we are going to do the addition first and then we are going to divide, or multiplication first then we are going to subtract, then our answer will be wrong. So to solve this type of question where multiple operations are there, we have to follow this formula. So first operation we have to do is open the bracket, then find out the off, that is multiply, then divide the number, then multiply is and add it and subtract it. You can easily understand this by taking any one of the example. I am taking here one example, 54 divided by 7 minus 5 of 3 minus plus 4 into 2 minus 6. This is the question I have taken here. Here division is also there, bracket is there, off is there, multiplication is there, addition is there and subtraction is there. In general, it's our nature, it's our habit. Whatever is given first we are doing that. No, it is wrong. First part is bracket, that is this one. So whatever is there inside the bracket, first we will solve that part. Then we have to solve this off. Then we have to do the division here, whatever the answer will come. After that we have to multiply, then we have to add, and at last we have to subtract. So these all things will be in the steps. You cannot solve in one step and get the answer. No, step by step you have to move forward. So just see how we have to do this type of questions. Now we are going to start. So just solve this question. Just make a rough column and write down here for your remembering BODMAS, so that you will never make mistake. Okay. Now first is BOD means bracket. We will solve this part. Okay. We are going to solve this part. So we will just copy down the number like this only. 54 divided by, first solve the bracket, so 7 minus 5 it is 2. Then of 3. After this we have to we will write down like this: of 3 plus 4 multiply by 2 minus 6. Okay. Now come to the second step. Second step, what we have to do? We have to solve the off. So 54 divided by 3 2s are 6. Off means multiply, so we will write down 3 2s are 6. Okay. Then plus 4 2s are 8. So we will write down 4 multiplied by 2 minus 6. Next step is division. 54 divided by 6. It is 9. 6 9s are 54. Plus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 6. Next step is multiplication. So 9 plus 4 twos are 8 minus 6. Next step is addition. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 minus 6 is equal to 11. And the answer is 11. Children, where we are making mistake, I am telling you, if you are going to divide 54 by 2, because you have seen here and you have just open the bracket, you got 2, you have divided this, you will get 27. Now 27 of 3 is 9. Okay. Now 4 twos are 8, 9 plus 8 again 16, and 16 minus 6 is 10. So you will make mistake. So don't be in hurry. You have to solve this type of question step by step, and each step is carrying the marks. So you cannot solve this type of question in one line. So first bracket, then off, then divide. After dividing we have to multiply. After multiplying we have to add, and after adding we have to subtract. Follow these steps, then you will not make mistakes anytime. Okay, move to the second question. Okay, this is the second question. In this question there are two brackets. First one is 49 minus 17 multiplied by 2 plus 9 inside the bracket, 9 plus 3 minus 4. So according to BODMAS, what we have to do? We have to solve first whatever is there inside the bracket. So first step is 49 minus 17. 9 minus 7 is 2 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So 32 multiplied by 2 plus what is there inside the bracket, that we will solve first. So 9 plus 3 is 12 minus 4. Now what is next? Division. There is no division operation. Then multiplication. Here is multiplication. So we will go for multiplication first. 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. 64 plus 12 minus 4. Next, after multiplication is addition. So we will go for addition. 64 plus 12. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. 76 minus 4, and it is 76 minus 4 is 72, and this is the answer. In this question there is no off. So what we have to do? There is no division. So whatever is given, you have to see that only. No need to solve so many things. So 49 minus 17 is 32. Then multiply by 2 plus 9 plus 3 is 12 minus 4. Now 32 multiplied by 2 is 64 plus 12 minus 4. Now add these two numbers. 64 plus 12 is 76 minus 4, and this is 72. I hope this exercise is clear to you. Now solve some questions by your own in your notebook. Now these are the some questions which you have to solve in copy. First one, 13 of 2 minus 16 of 2 divided by 8. Second one, 9 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 14. 3 multiplied by 14 is inside the bracket, divided by 7 minus 50. 25 minus 8 of 2 divided by 27 minus 23. Fourth one is 18 divided by 9 plus 16 minus 2 into 5. Children, again I am repeating, please don't do it like this. You have to follow the BODMAS. So in this question, first you have to solve the off bracket, then we have to solve the off, then we have to divide, and then we have to subtract. So just solve it, enjoy it.